Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys, wherever you may be in the world. So, I just wanted to jump on here very quickly, as I have been, to provide you guys with live updates once again. So, as you guys know, I've already provided you guys with a couple of updates from the start of the week, where we were around 1.6% up, to gradually moving up to around 3% and then 4%. And if you have been following my stories, you've seen how gradually throughout the week, as the week progresses, how the bot has continued to churn out results. And the purpose of doing this live is, as I've said before, is to show you the proof in the pudding and to show you guys how the bot actually works and the insane results that it delivers over and over again. So again, as the week comes to an end, I just wanted to jump on here very quickly just to show you how the bot is progressing, and I have a nice little update for you guys here, and you can compare the balances to the previous videos. Okay, so we started off at 100k at the start of the week, okay, and we gradually progressed as we were banking more and more profits, and now we are currently sitting on around 5.9% banked. Okay, so 5.9% is protected, it's been banked, it's been closed, and we also have around 2.2% still running. Okay, so still running in profit, which collates to an equivalent of 8.1% for the week, which is insane. Okay, and I'm glad that we've been able to do this live with you, because you've seen the progress throughout the week. You've seen how the bot has continued to churn out results, and you can now see why we are so excited about launching this, and hopefully you guys are very excited about joining as well. And I know a lot of you have been messaging me about joining and getting on board, so I know the excitement is shared all round. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on the spreadsheet real quick, okay, so I can show you that, although this has been amazing to showcase, this is actually one of our better weeks that we're going to have. Okay, so we're not afraid to tell you that. Of course, like I mentioned before, this is going to be completely transparent, and we've done this live to you. Okay, that's something that traders are very scared to do, and showcase their results live, because you don't know how it's going to end up. Okay, so I've done this from the start of the week, and if this has ended in a negative, then so be it. But we've been lucky enough to show you guys a good week and see how the bot performs and the potential that it really has. And the reason why I wanted to jump on this spreadsheet is to be completely transparent with you guys. As I mentioned, this is a very good week for us. So if you look at the weeks at the bottom, okay, we've got 6.83%, 8.29%, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is at the top end of the good weeks that we are going to have. Okay, so as you guys can see, that was, 8% is really at the top tier of what we're going to achieve on a good week. Okay, however, there is obviously tomorrow still to go, so you don't know that maybe this is now going to fluctuate and actually come down and maybe a little bit, and then end the week on 7 or 6.5% or whatever it may be. We do have manual control. Just wanted to add that in as well, so if we really wanted to, we can go into a chart, for example, and we can go into the chart, okay, and we can actually go and close all, we can close a half, we can move stuff to break even. So we do have that manual control if we wanted to actively manage this fund and actively manage the positions, as opposed to being passive investors and passive managers as such. So we do have that option as well. So if we wanted to close everything and be like, we're happy with 8%, we can do that as well, just to let you guys know. However, we have created this to be totally autonomous, and that's what we're trying to keep it doing. Okay, so as well, if you want to look at the account history, again, you can match this up with the other videos that I've already sent in the group earlier in the week. You can see the positions that it's kind of closed off throughout the week, and the profits that it's been banking. So again, all profits at the minute, no losses whatsoever. And what we have done manually, and actually a lot of it was autonomous, but manually as well, we've looked at the charts and we've used our knowledge to then go, okay, do you know what, we don't want the extra risk on the table. Okay, so we are, like I mentioned before, we've been trading every single week as if we were trading live funds of clients' money and our own money. Okay, so we've been doing this as realistically as possible, and we've looked at the charts and said, okay, we would be happy with 5.8% in a week. Okay, there's no point in throwing that away or having this value or equity figure go down to like 4% or 3%, because you've already, you know, at one point you were 6% up. So what's the point in taking that risk? So what we have done now is we have actually moved all positions to break even. So as you guys can see, the red lines on this chart, we have moved these positions to break even or slightly just in profit. Okay, and we've looked at the charts to say, you know, if the market does retrace beyond this point, then there's no point having the stops below here at this, you know, at this moment in time, at this late in the week as well. So what we've done is moved them all to break even. So worst case scenario, if they do come back and hit break even, and that's across all markets as well. So if they do come back and hit break even, then we're going to be left with 5.8%, which again is a phenomenal week. It's again at the top end of the weeks that we're going to have. And if you can do 6% a week, we're laughing. So yeah, it's something that we're very proud of, and obviously we're glad that we've been able to showcase this to you on a live basis and show the full transparency with the bot, show you how it works, the profits that it's taken, the positions that are still running, the fundamentals behind the bot as well, the fact that we have manual control, although it is completely autonomous as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys have found that useful. You can see the proof is in the pudding. And we are so excited to get this launched. We're so excited to get you guys on board and hopefully create something that is going to be remembered by all of us long into the future. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this update as well, and we will see you on the other side. And if you haven't got in touch with me yet, then please do message me at YT_FX. I'm getting confused between my Instagram and my Telegram usernames. So at YT_FX, message me directly with your investment amount, and then I can add you to the list to send you the prospectus as well, which is almost complete, which is going to be completed hopefully tonight and tomorrow. And then we'll get that sent across to you guys so you guys can have a little bit more information on how this bot works and how the investment will work in general. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, we'll welcome you on board and hopefully see you on the other side.